Ever wondered what it's like to drive a full-size SUV that combines luxury, power, and practicality? Meet the GMC Yukon and its extended counterpart, the Yukon XL, a dynamic duo that brings together the best of both worlds. Imagine this. You're behind the wheel of the latest GMC Yukon, cruising down the highway with the smoothness of an independent rear suspension that makes every journey feel effortless. This SUV isn't just about comfort, it's about versatility and performance. Built on the same robust chassis as the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban, the Yukon promises a blend of rugged capability and refined luxury. It boasts two powerful V8 engines and a fuel-efficient 6-cylinder diesel engine that can achieve up to 27 miles per gallon. And if you're looking for a ride that feels like floating on air, the improved rear suspension ensures a smoother drive compared to previous models. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious interior designed to accommodate up to 8 passengers comfortably, with plenty of room for cargo. Whether you're opting for the practical base model or the high-end Denali trim, the Yukon has something to offer everyone. It even shares many features with the Cadillac Escalade, making it a standout in its class. For 2025, GMC has teased exciting updates for the Yukon, including a refreshed front and rear design, new wheel options, and an upgraded interior. The diesel engine now delivers 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque, promising even more power and towing capacity. The base model is expected to start around $61,000, with the top-of-the-line Denali model reaching up to $122,000. Under the hood, you can choose between a 5.3 liters V8 with 355 horsepower or a 6.2 liters V8 with an impressive 420 horsepower. There's also a 3.0 liters turbocharged inline-6 diesel engine that's perfect for towing, with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive options available. For off-road enthusiasts, the RAV4 trim comes with a 2-speed transfer case and a skid plate, making rugged adventures a breeze. In terms of performance, the Denali 6.2 liters V8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.0 seconds, while the diesel model takes 7.8 seconds. When it comes to towing, the rear-wheel drive 5.3 liters V8 can handle up to 8,400 pounds, with the diesel offering even greater potential for heavy-duty tasks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.